We live in a world where personal safety and security are paramount. With danger lurking around corners and people becoming victims of assault here and there, it's only wise to have a weapon of self-defense on you. In light of this, we've compiled a list of the best concealed carry guns for seniors in 2024. If you want to be all set and prepared for whatever comes at you as a senior, this video is for you. Don't procrastinate watching it. There are specific guns suited for concealed carry purposes, and the firearms analyzed on this list only made it because of their reliability, shooting accuracy, and all-around value. Moving on to the central part of the video, let's examine 10 guns suitable for concealed carry and what makes them best suited for the purpose. Number 1. Sig Sauer P365. The top of our list of the best concealed carry guns is the Sig Sauer P365 revolver. No gun matches the standards of the Sig Sauer P365, especially when it comes to concealment. No one will ever suspect you have a weapon on you when you carry this. Its specifications are a barrel length of 3.1 inches, an overall length of 5.8 inches, 1 inch width, and 17.8 ounces weight. The 9mm caliber revolver has a 10-round mag capacity. As a result of the slightly fat and short grip of this masterpiece, getting a firm hold on the gun is quick and easy. Controlling it is even easier. Shooting it, the Sig P365 fires with such accuracy that it leaves no room for mistakes. The ergonomics of the P365 is on a different level. It has a polymer frame and is an absolute necessity for seniors. The design of the Sig Sauer has a smooth trigger system, is utterly customizable, and almost all its parts can be swapped to suit your taste. Number 3. Ruger LCP Max. The top 3 on the list is a perfect pocket gun for concealed carry. The Ruger LCP Max gets a solid 8 out of 10 for its firepower, which is 10 times that of the LCP-2. Its trigger is everything else but hard to pull. The 10-round mag has no arguments about whether it's capable. If you'd fancy more rounds, you get the option of +4 or +6 rounds when you go for the slightly larger magazines. The specifications of the Ruger LCP Max are as follows: 2.8 inches barrel, 5.17 inches overall length, 10.6 ounces weight, 0.81 inches width, and 380 ACP caliber. This super small-size gun is easy to secure with a firm grip. Recoil isn't too strong, so you can quickly and efficiently take follow-up shots. It gives a superb shooting experience. Number 2. Ruger LCR. What if I told you that revolvers are not a thing of the past or a weapon for old folks? Well, there you have it. The top 2 on the list is the Ruger LCR, a top-tier snub-nose revolver. I'm sure that tells you that the revolver's era isn't over yet. This excellent firearm comes in various calibers, namely 22 LR, 22 mag, 357 mag, 38 special, 357 mag, and 9mm. It weighs anything from 13.5 to 17.2 ounces. The barrel length is 1.87 inches, and the overall length is 6.5 inches. An absolute master for concealment, the LCR is super duper light. The trigger is smooth, and there's no chance that you've seen anything like it. The friction-reducing cam in the fire control system constantly regulates the trigger pull, so that it's without a hitch. Recoil is well managed, and the fact that you can easily hold a firm grip on the LCR makes the shooting experience fun. Number 4. Glock 19. The Glock 19, though a small handgun, has a shooting accuracy that measures up to that of a full-size pistol. Easy to conceal, the Glock 19 is a master in its realm. It has a barrel length of 4.02 inches, an overall length of 7.44 inches, and weighs 24.83 ounces. It's a 9mm caliber and 1.3 inches wide. The Glock 19 is a Gen 5 model and has undergone a refining process that puts it ahead of its counterparts. With a 15-round mag capacity and a +1 in the chamber, the Glock 19 is super light even when fully loaded. The ergonomics are very impressive, and for years, I mean countless years, the Glock 19 has been a close companion of law enforcement agents and carriers. It's safe to call the Glock 19 the standard because it's earned the trust of most experienced fighters. Number 5. HK VP9. The HK VP9 is a top pick for user-friendly pistols. The back and side straps are removable, and you can do whatever you want to suit your preferences. It's a full-size 9mm caliber pistol with a mag capacity of 10, 13, 15 rounds. Its overall length is 6.61 inches, and its barrel length is 3.39 inches. It weighs 23.7 ounces and is 1.32 inches wide. Once you've secured an appropriate holder, concealing an HK VP9 becomes a piece of cake. The HK VP9 has many excellent features, but its accuracy and precision are the most notable. Although a drawback may be that it's not all that comfortable for appendix carry. However, overall you can only go right with an HK VP9 pistol. Number 6. Hellcat OSP. If you're looking for an optic-ready pistol for concealed carry, you can't go wrong with a Hellcat OSP. It's completely reliable, and its accuracy gets an easy 80%. A 9mm caliber pistol, its overall length is 6 inches, and its barrel is 3 inches long. It weighs 18.3 ounces and is 1 inch in width. The Hellcat Optics uses the Shield RMS footprint that works iron sight that co-witnesses with the mini red dot sights. Keeping the red dot focused on the target is made seamless. This wonder of an optic-ready concealed carry gun comes with an impressive 10 to 15 round mag. Number 7. SW Shield EZ 9mm. This is a powerful and reliable concealed carry gun. Packed with a 9mm caliber and a magazine round of 8, the SW Shield EZ has a more petite frame, fit for easy slide handling. Its overall length is 6.7 inches. It weighs 23.2 ounces with a 1.15-inch width. Cocking the SW Shield EZ or loading the magazine is an easy task, and the gun's pretty much way for anyone to handle. Number 8. CZ P10C. Although a larger handgun, the CZ P10C is still a viable option for concealed carry. With a barrel length of 4.02 inches, an overall length of 7.3 inches, a weight of 26 ounces, and a 1.26-inch width, the CZ P10C can be concealed without suspicion. It's just a bit smaller than a full-size pistol, and with the right choice of holster and belt, getting around with a CZ P10C becomes much easier. It has an outstanding design, with a 9mm caliber and a 15-round mag. The grip texture and size make it possible to manage recoil. Its control is superb. Number 9. Colt Python 3-inch. If you love revolvers, the Colt Python 3-inch is your best bet for concealed carry. Its unique quality sets it apart from the other guns in the Python line. Having a .357 mag caliber, its magazine capacity is 6 rounds. The barrel is 3 inches long and weighs 38 ounces. The design of the Colt Python 3-inch is an improved version of the ones before it and comes with an interchangeable ramp. Its body is a well-polished stainless steel. Its features make the Colt Python 3-inch a viable option for concealed carry. However, its full size is not easily concealed, but it is still an option to go for. What more could you ask for from a concealed carry gun that the mentioned firearms don't possess? With this guide, we hope you're able to make the decision about which concealed carry weapon gun to purchase. You should try one, if not all, of these guns we've suggested. Kindly tell us what you think about them in the comment section. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. Also, click the notification bell to get notified when we upload subsequent videos. Thank you for watching.